Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sushma Sarala, consulting homeopath at Fidicus Homeopathy. What are the signs and symptoms of fibroids? As you all know, the signs and symptoms of fibroids are very clear. First thing is menstrual irregularities or heavy menstruation, as you can see in the picture. Heavy menstruation or prolonged menstruation. Some people just feel like, see, I just have 5 days of cycle or 5 days of menstruation. But remember, not the duration of the menstruation, but also the flow of the menstruation. That is, even if in 5 days you are usually using 2 or 3 pads per day, but that has increased going to 5 pads or 4 pads per day. That is also important. If there is a lot of clots that you're passing is also important, and also if it is prolonged also it is important, or if there is any irregularity, that is your cycle has decreased from 30 days to 20 days or 15 days, and every 15 days you're having this cycle, that is also very important. This is the common feature of fibroid. And then what is the other feature of fibroid is the pain. Pain during menstruation, dragging that kind of pain, bearing down kind of pain is also a common feature of fibroid. Pressure symptoms. If you're having pressure symptoms, especially in certain kind of fibroids, especially subserosal fibroids, they can cause pressure symptoms back, that is near the rectum, where you will have painful defecation, or on the urinary bladder if it is in the anterior part, they can cause painful urination as well. Certain kinds of fibroids, if they are near the cervix region of the uterus, they can cause pain during intercourse as well. So, and then pressure symptoms you've already discussed, and then constipation. If you're having pressure on the rectum itself, you can have constipation as the problem also. And then if there is prolonged bleeding, what will happen? A lot of blood is going out, right? So if there is a lot of blood going, there will be iron deficiency anemia, there will be iron depletion in the body, there will be HB depletion in the body. That is also a common characteristic. If you are someone who doesn't know if you're having fibroids or not, do an analysis based on this symptom. Is there any change in the menstruation? Is it scanty? Is it very late? Then it can be because of PCOS, or it can be because of estrogen dominance. Or if it is too much, and if it is too much of flow with too much of pain, and also menstrual irregularities, very frequently you are having menstruation, it can be because of fibroids, endometriosis, or bulky uterus. And also along with that, if you are having pale waxy skin, you just feel like you're getting fair, a lot fair every day, without a healthy glow on your face. If your eyes, eyelids also tell if you're pale or not. Your tongue is getting pale, you have lost that luster and that glow, that also means that you are anemic in nature. So if you are having any of these symptoms, you can evaluate yourself and get a doctor consultation as soon as possible. Apart from this, you might have reproductive as well as obstetrical problems. That is, depending upon the size of the fibroid, depending upon the location of the fibroid, there can be fertility issues, there can be pregnancy issues, there can be problem in conception, pregnancy, and there can be problem in retaining the baby as well. So that we will be discussing in the next topic. If you're someone who is suffering from hormonal disruption, or if you're suffering from fibroids, adenomyosis, endometriosis, or ovarian cyst, chocolate cyst, or PCOD, and you're looking for cure, Fidicus Homeopathy is the answer. Here we have two types of consultation. One is online consultation and offline consultation. In the online consultation, we are having audio option and as well as video option. If you're someone who's staying nearby us, you can come and contact us in person. If you're someone who's staying far away from the nearest branch of Fidicus, you can contact us through online consultation. After the online consultation, we will be asking you for certain investigations regarding your symptoms, and if you have any sort of investigations already priorly done, you can share it with us. After the doctor consultation, especially to the online clients, our medication will be reaching your doorstep through courier. If you're staying in India, it can take 3 to 4 business days. If you're staying in USA, it can take 3 to 5 business days. Across the globe, it can take 4 to 8 business days for our medicine to reach your doorstep. If you want to have a consultation, please do call us on this number, WhatsApp us, or message us through this number. If you want to know more about Fidicus Homeopathy, you can check our website www.fidicus.com. If you're someone suffering from fibroids, if you're seeing our video, remember that this video is done because of the lot of patient success rate that we're having, because we're doing this video for their queries itself. Many people are calling us just for for a lot of questions they have on fibroids, and then they're taking the appointments and then they're getting cured. So there is good success rate. So that is why if you're someone who's suffering from all of these diseases, especially female reproductive organ diseases, you have to choose Fidicus Homeopathy. Why should you choose Fidicus Homeopathy out of all the homeopathic doctors in the world? See, Fidicus Homeopathy stands for highest chance of health. Here we have three things. One is highest success rate, already curing things that are we are discussing here. Second is a transparent medication. There is no gray area between the patient and the doctor. Here we will be educating you on your prognosis. And the third thing, the personal care. The queries that you're doing or the queries that you're presenting, we are taking care of it and we are answering this through our videos, so that majority of the people who are not able to reach us out are seeing this video and they are getting answers for their questions. So the personal care at Fidicus Homeopathy is top notch. If you want to choose cure, if you want to choose health, choose Fidicus Homeopathy. Thank you.
Fidicus Homeopathy.